I saw him move.
Yeah.
Look at Chase.
Isn't that neat?
Mom, give me it. I'm gonna videotape the side. The side view is good.
Keep it on him.
Where is he?
He's over there. Oh, sorry.
And you can show Daddy.
Where?
We passed him.
He's right
Don't
here.
zoom in too close, then it gets fuzzy. Zoom back out.
Oh, there
Mom,
he is.
there's an ant.
Watch, here he comes.
Oh, it's moving more.
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming out. See, moving.
Hold it on there, Hyde, watch. He's almost all the way out.
He's moving. He moved. I saw him. I saw his head move.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hold it still, Hyde.
it's cute.
This is gonna be freaky.
Is he cute?
Does it fly?
Yep.
Ew. It's gonna fly over my head.
It's okay. They don't bite.
I know, but they're disgusting.
I love puppies.
Well, he probably thinks you're disgusting.
That's what my brother always says.
Yeah.
When I say I
Hold
hate,
it still, Hyde.
when I say I
Give it to
hate,
me.
when I play Minecraft and I say I hate big slimes, he says they hate you, and it's really annoying.
Well, look at his pretty color on his side there.
Ooh, that's
Blue.
pretty.
Can I get it?
What? No, you can't get him.
Why?
Let
When
him
he's done
come out and
coming-
fly.
When he comes out, then you can grab it.
Is that his feet down there?
Inside, yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Ah, you see him moving?
No, I was paying attention to the phone.
Mommy, is that his mouth?
Ah! There's something like on my foot.
It's all right. Shh.
31.
Heidi, watch.
I was getting the mosquito.
Don't worry about it.
That was a mosquito.
Heidi, watch.
Oh.
Or give it to me.
I'm scared of mosquitoes.
Look, I got still got him.
It's freaking me out.
Mommy's
Stay
almost
still.
out.
Can we just get
I
back in the
wanna see
pool?
him
There's
fly.
a bunch of mosquitoes.
I want to see him fly.
Wait, he's almost out. He's almost there.
Look.
Where is he?
Right there. I know this
Oh,
one.
I got him.
A couple times. Your friend? Your friend? You used to be a friend? Can he touch the stop?
Nope, he's almost out all the way.
This is
He's
freaking
gonna
me out.
learn. Look.
It's freaking me out.
It's all right.
I want to get back in the pool. There's a bunch of mosquitoes. What's that white on you?
It's pink.
So you hear all those other ones making noises?
But they gotta do it up there.
Yeah.
They wanted to do it up there.
He just moved.
Yeah.
Moved up.
He's so close to coming out.
See all these mosquitoes.
Relax.
Thank you, friend.
You're welcome.
I give you $55.
Are you serious?
He's coming.
This is freaking me out.
Almost
It's
out.
freaking me out. It's scaring me.
That's gonna be it's cute. My mom touched it.
Oh, what was that?
See, she would touch it.
Oh, he's so close.
This is scaring me so much.
Don't quit on us now.
He will.
He's gonna fly onto us.
Yep, there he goes. Wiggling. Look, here he goes. Here he goes.
He moves. He's moving.
He's so close.
He's so close to getting
This is-
out.
just-
You should put this on YouTube.
Yeah, we should. Do you guys go on YouTube?
No.
I
Not
do.
too often. He's really wiggling.
He's struggling. So much mosquitoes. They're freaking me out.
Going in.
Go ahead, go back in the pool.
No, I'm scared to be out.
You want to see him?
You want to see him?
Haley, look out. There's a
Stay
mosquito
still.
behind you.
Stop worrying about it.
Shut up about it. Just blow it if it comes. Just blow it. It's a fly. It's a fly. Mom, get it. Shut up.
He's almost out.
Hi.
Stop, Haley.
Haley,
That's
stop.
a fly.
This is fun.
I know.
How is it fun? We're just staring.
I know.
He's
actually
moving.
is.
He was like down and now he's up.
Yep. His wings are almost out. You see them?
His eyes are freaking me out.
They're those colorful things on the side.
His eyes are freaking me out.
His wings.
His eyes are seriously freaking
Here he
me
goes. Here he goes. I just saw him like.
His wings are going to pop out and then he'll go.
This is scaring me.
Look, here his wings come.
Look.
It's gonna fly soon.
Are
Look,
we
his
all
wings are almost out soon.
See his wings coming out?
scaring me? Are we all just gonna move so you can fly?
No
Fly
one
up.
when he flies.
Oh, he's so close.
This is scaring me.
Oh, shush.
His wings
His
out.
wings are out.
Yeah.
Why How come he isn't flying?
They're not all the way out.
He's moving.
Yeah.
Why does it take a while?
That's just the way it is.
Haley, his wings, they're out.
He's lifting his wings now.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Did he move his wing?
Yeah,
You
he
like this?
wiggled.
He's trying to wiggle out.
This is really fun.
I know.
I don't get how it's fun. It's kind of boring.
It's like a nature movie in real life. First we see the cops movie, then we
Wait,
see
look,
the...
look. His wings are popping up more.
He's moving his little legs.
There's legs.
There's his arms.
He's moving.
Don't yank on me, please.
Scary.
It's not scary.
It's freaking me out.
Scary.
From this angle, it looks like he's smiling at me.
I know.
Is?
It does.
What do they eat, Mom? Hear them? That's the cicadas.
Yeah, stop. You're smacking
Stop.
me.
He's falling. He's coming.
Hi,
He
Cicada.
falls.
His wings, they moved. I saw it.
He's almost out.
Haley, are you gonna grab the shell?
Yeah,
You have to clean it though.
they don't.
No.
Yeah, because
There
we
he
don't
goes.
know.
There he goes.
You don't know where it's been. Can't see.
Where's Chase going? Chase, no.
Chase, no. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away, Chase.
It's scaring me so much.
What is it, Chasey?
Haley, watch. His wings, they're lifting.
It's trying to fly.
It's not flying now.
It's trying. It's trying.
It's looking at us.
Uh-huh.
Why is he leaning backwards?
Because that's how they come out.
Now, if he just went up, he would attach.
It's scaring me.
Does the shell taking off hurt
It's
them?
like you get new clothes. Like he gets out of that and he gets a new shell.
Yeah.
That is his new shell.
No.
No.
So, like, he trades with another one?
No, he just sheds that one out and the
Grows a new one.
yeah, what he has hardens up and turns brown, and then he sheds out of that one.
And then he grows a new one and then shuts out of that.
He always
Here he
does.
comes.
This is just freaking me out so much.
It's not a biter.
But it's scary.
Would you want Chase to eat it?
Yes.
No.
I threw his hands in my pants.
There's dirt on my pants.
Chase's tongue is dripping slobber.
Yeah. Haley, watch. He slobbers me.
Did you do the shaky thing?
Come on, Cicada. Come on, Cicada.
He needs to come.
Cicada.
Cicada. Cicada.
Cicada.
Cicada. Cicada.
Okay, he needs concentration.
That's what I said.
He needs to concentrate. There's his belly.
Billy.
And his back.
Mom, are you just watching the phone? Watch your thing.
Oh, he's so close.
His legs are moving.
Out of about 20 minutes of trying to get out.
Eyes are black. They're freaking me out.
Oh, he's
How long have we been here, Mom?
13 minutes.
Really?
Wow.
When? You've been here like for 2 minutes.
No, we've been watching this guy for 13 minutes.
You've been watching it for 2 minutes. So
Uh-uh.
I called you. No,
He's
it
about
didn't
to
just
fly.
start when I called you.
He's about to fly. I see him.
This is scaring
How
me
how
so
hard can this
bad.
be? My goodness.
I would
You
just
just
like,
break out of the shell and fly.
that's what I would do. I would just like take my legs, crack the shell, and then just start flying.
Mom, don't.
Okay. We're just trying to hurry him along.
Do
Touch
it,
it.
Mom. Do it.
Just touch it.
Oh my God.
Just touch it.
Oh, don't quit your day job.
What was he
What's
saying?
that mean?
It means don't expect to become a famous singer. When you sing like that.
It sounded like an African person.
He's moving his little wingies again.
I'm getting bitten.
What does that mean?
He's gonna like get himself going.
Come on, dude. Come on. Just
Did you
just
say,
tell us
come
to-
on, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There he goes. Moving his leggies.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Come on, dude.
Come on, dude.
Mom.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Come on. Come on, dude.
Yeah, he's still in there.
What do you mean?